right, left, right, left. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Period.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up.
What's up, family? So I am heading to Pilates. It is my class is at 6:30, so it's 5:59 right now. I have just a minute to get there. So hopefully traffic is not bad because I am a good 15-20 minutes away. But typically I don't go this late, but this was solar eclipse day, and so my kids were home, and so I didn't want to leave them. My teenager, I don't like for her to have to watch the small baby. So anyways, I decided to go to class later, and I'm excited. I ate tacos for dinner. Like, who eats tacos and then goes to workout? Like, I guess I do. But speaking of the solar eclipse, y'all, it was actually, I was heavily one of the ones that's like, what's the big deal? And I live in Arkansas, so we were in the total, damn, I can't even hold my camera. We were in the total like eclipse pathway or whatever you call it. So many people were traveling here, and it's just like, I was just like, for what, you know? And come to find out, it was actually so like, wow, to see. And the kids definitely were excited. And my son, he is, I swear to you guys, he's gonna work for NASA one day. He is so super smart. But after the eclipse was like fully covering the sun, he was trying to tell me like, Mom, we can take our glasses off. And me being super cautious, I'm like, no, you're not taking off your glasses. And he was like getting so upset with me because he's like, but Mom, when it's fully covered, you can look up, blah, blah, blah. No, son. But when it happened, we looked up, and, you know, I let them take off their glasses, and I was like, wow. But I low-key, like, I wouldn't look at it long. Like, I just kind of looked up there. So I remember it was just like, it was so crazy to see. But I didn't look very long because I'm very like, I have really been enjoying Pilates, and tonight I am moving up a class. So I am like 1.5. So like the very beginner class is just like just a flow class, like to learn everything. And I'm 1.5 today. Also, in breaking news, what do y'all think about B. Simone releasing a new podcast? I'm not one to pick sides. I really, right now in my life, I really resonate with Megan. But that's not to say that B. Simone doesn't have her own journey and her own story. So I like them both. I don't see why people are like trying to play it against each other. Some people just outgrow each other, and it just is what it is. I am gonna watch both. I do like Megan's more like grounded, spiritual perspective. But B. Simone is B. Simone, and she is hilarious. So I'm gonna watch her as well. Goodness, you guys, look what has arrived. It's been a month and a half, I think, since we ordered this table. Now let me tell you, the table is beautiful. When I saw it, I was like, I have to have it. So it goes, if you can tell the vibes, okay? It's all about the vibes. You can kind of tell I was going for like that natural, organic wood, just like soft color. But child, the dog is like, can you stop talking and let me in? You didn't want to go out there anyway because it was wet. You know you didn't want to go out there. So originally, and I know I've done talked about this already, but this is the vibe that I want for spring. This is exactly it. This is a pendant table with a natural marble stone tabletop. And I do have different marble here, but it still pulls in great because it has the gray marble over there as well. So to clean them, it's very tedious. Okay, perfect. I love it so much. Like, it's It's so cute. It's exactly what I was going for. So the view from back here with like the black tones. With me having the black here, I think the black curtains will still look great when it's time for that. And I'm gonna find some vases for the top of the table. Most of the time the kids will probably eat here, but I am gonna get some placemats. Anyway, if you are familiar with stone, you don't put anything hot, cold, like anything like that on there. So I'm gonna get some placemats for the table. But like I said, majority of the time the kids will probably eat here. Y'all look, it's just so perfect. It's warm. Remy! What are you doing? You looking outside? Come on. It's warm and inviting, and I love that. What's up, vlog? I don't even know the last time. What's up, G1? In the club, my twin, we be So I don't even know the last time that I vlogged, but today is another day. We are getting ready to head out to.
She teach me a dance move. Look.
Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom.
Period. So anyways, today I had to keep her home from school because she has really bad eczema on her. She has eczema, but it's like very, very pronounced on her face. And it's been really, really windy the last couple days. So I noticed that her face was getting really dry. So she was scratching her face, I'm sure. No. And I think what happens is, here, Leah. I think what happens is her touching her face and scratching her face and stuff. And you know, kids are just, you don't know what's on their hands. So I think that's causing her to continue to get this rash on her face. And we ain't got time for that, okay? So I kept her home so I could take her to the doctor. But we gotta run a few errands, really just one errand. We have to go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna take her to the doctor, and then I'm gonna come home and finish watching. I started a new movie last night.
It's called This Little.
It's called The Little Things. Oh, they can't see me because the window.
This Little Things.
Let me turn off the TV. I started a new movie last night. It's called The Little Things, and it's like a crime type of show or movie, and I actually really, really like it. So that's what we're doing right now. Come on, Remy. Let's let her go outside.
My basket.
You may need a little jacket because it's still very much cool. We're gonna let Remy outside before we go. Go get it. Hi, you wanna go outside real quick? You wanna go outside? She's like, yes, Mom. Yes. Go potty. So that's what we're doing. This is my makeup of the day. This is like my natural everyday type of makeup look. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then I don't know what else we'll get into, but that's what we're doing right now. So let's go. Y'all, so we just left out of Walmart, and look what Aaliyah found. Well, that we found. It is a bento lunchbox that has a spoon, fork, and then 2 condiment containers, and it's dishwasher safe. I have been wanting to get her one of these for so freaking long. They're really affordable on Amazon as well. I think you can get one for like $14, $15. But $5, I don't know. Walmart just been coming through for your girl. Like $5, you cannot beat that. You excited?
Yeah.
I love how it has the compartments and the fork and the spoon. Like, that is so cute. And then they have one for like a boy as well. But my son doesn't really take his lunch, so it would just kind of be a waste. But that's so cute, right? Okay, so we're gonna do a quick, I was gonna say Ulta haul, a quick home goods haul. So the first thing that I found, well, not that I found, but the first thing that I'm showing you guys is this Hello Kitty pillowcase set. I hope it's her size, because I now see that they say standard size. My daughter is obsessed with Hello Kitty for some reason, but it's cute. So I got her these, and she has my old, well, it's not old, but she has my king size bed. So, oh yeah, these should do. I think those will be fine. Then I picked up some more of these silicone spoons, spatula situation. I like these a lot. These are $9.99 from Cook's Corner. I hand wash these though. I don't know, I have this weird thing about dishwasher and the wood. Like I feel like it's gonna get mold and mildew on it or something. I also found these placemats so I can put on the table because like I said earlier, you know, you don't want to place anything hot or cold on marble. So even like my countertops, I have to be really careful. So I got these. The kids are coming, so I probably should wipe it down. This one's kind of bent, and I don't like that. But yeah, cute. It's almost 1, so I guess they run around this time every day. But yeah, okay, period. Period. Poo. I love these types of meals. And then don't like no bills. Yeah, I did bring my camera today. I brought my tripod. We have a few errands to run. I told you guys. I think I told you guys that I needed to run to the grocery store and kind of like restock for my week. I usually do it on Mondays, but because I have workout class in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and get it out the way today. We have 2 trips coming up, so I have some errands to run for that. My man is coming. I said my man is coming with me. I am dragging him out the house today.
I gotta get my sunglasses out my trunk.
Oh, get the ones off the counter because I was trying to see how they looked on you. But yes, that's what
So
the
you saying
plan
my face
is.
is ugly? Is that what you saying?
That don't even make sense with what I just said. So yes. Anyways, so today is Sunday and yeah, I got some errands and things to do. I feel like I look crazy. I'm about to start my cycle. My emotions and my mood is all over the place.
I don't like these.
You don't think that? Did you try mine? Try mine.
Mm-mm.
Try mine.
No.
I just want to see how they look on you.
I don't like them. It don't matter. I don't like them, so it's not gonna look good. Why they look like they?
They look good on you. Let me show you.
I don't like, babe. I see it, but I don't like them.
Second stop with my mans. I'm so glad you came out with me.
Yeah.
Yep, because usually I be by myself, but we're gonna run in here. I want to go in Old Navy during the week. Yes, I do.
It's a bit word.
Right.
Where we going to? We're going Famous.
I really want to go in Old Navy, but I can wait.
We go to Old Navy.
Okay.
Our
Ooh.
kids want some damn Crocs.
They want some Crocs, and it's so funny because my homegirl, my son had got gifted some Crocs by his grandmother
They
from the
want
dollar
Crocs.
store,
They want
y'all.
some
He
damn-
loves. He
They know
loves.
Crocs.
There's some Ox. They are so he loves them though, and I'm like, okay, they was probably like $5 if that. And my friend had noticed them. It was funny, so I'm gonna get him some. I'm gonna get him some name brand Crocs. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Feels so nice. Okay, first stop complete.
I did everything.
Huh?
I did all the shopping. I grabbed all of it.
You know what's so funny?
Car.
It's so funny that my husband, he be picking out stuff, throwing stuff in the basket, but then want to complain and talk about me.
I just got, I got something to drink.
He got me some flowers, y'all.
Let me see how they look in the
Yeah, we're
home.
home finally, but look at my flowers. I gotta go get a vase.
Can I get Danish?
No, I gotta throw those out.
I
We got
need
some
you to get me something.
hydrangeas.
There's new ones. Well, I need you to get me some.
Hold
Mom,
on.
there's new ones.
And then Babe picked out this pretty like orange.
Can I hold
I'm
it?
gonna like find a way to put them all
Can I hold
together.
it? Can I hold it?
Smell it. Babe, smell. It smells so good.
That's good.
I'm gonna put all this away and then
Let me
back.
smell this one. This is good for me.
It smell good?
This is good for me.
Oh no, I was in the middle of hanging up my photos on the wall, which I'll show you guys. I have to take down Aaliyah's hair because my bestie is coming over to do her hair.
And I'm eating pizza.
And so she's eating her food and I'm trying to take her hair down. These braids that I did, how long had they been in there? Like over a month. So it was definitely time, but I was like, I haven't even washed her hair. Is the bathroom getting clean? The trash and the toilet.
Mommy, I got this, Mama.
I have to check behind you because I brought those Clorox wipes right there where you can wipe the toilet seat down. Right there on the counter, look. Wipe the toilet seats down, take them in there, and throw them in the trash. So yeah, y'all, that's what I'm doing. I planned on doing a lot of cleaning today, which I still plan on doing. I'm a little behind schedule.
They should make it even.
Because me and Babe ran some errands.
You might not make it even.
So what are you gonna
What?
do?
You might not make it even.
No, I can see.
Or we can go to the wax museum.
I still have to go get a vase for my flowers. And yeah, so I'm gonna take her hair down. This is what I was doing. I was hanging up my gallery wall, whatever. But let me take her hair down before she gets here and then I'll talk to y'all when she comes. I said I'm not gonna get you, I'm just showing her hair. Her hair is almost done. Remy K, look up. Hi baby. She just like anywhere.
Best friends.
Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Turn around. You can't wait to see it.
Yeah, but my mom.
Turn around.
Esther was playing in my face.
Ooh.
You're so handsome.
And was probably dead serious.
He was handsome, Mr. Mom.
Come on.
Go Wyatt.
Come on, Lily.
They're done.
Okay, you don't want me to, I want to get your reaction.
He died.
Girl, look at yourself.
He died.
Okay, ready? One. What you think?
It's okay.
Nah, it's, you said it's mid. No, so good. I love it.
I want to wipe down the table.
Okay, y'all, I have been, let me tell you something. We have been braiding hair. Well, I haven't been braiding. My bestie was braiding. I have been cooking. So now it's a mess. Oh, look how pretty. I don't think I showed you guys the flowers. I'm no florist, but I did a little something, okay? But yeah, this is what the flowers came out to be. Baby was on the grill. So now before we eat dinner, I have to clean up. I'm having like, it's so much going on in here. I gotta clean up so that we can eat.
Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk inside. I'm in that 80 and one of the different priority. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver.